one Cri-Du-Chat Syndrome is also known as cat cry syndrome, because the newborn's cry is like a cat's cry, meowing, and this is not numerical, this is structural, and the karyotype is 5p or 5 minus p, so that is deletion of small or complete p arm of 5th chromosome, 5th pair. So this is 5th pair, maybe this is 5p minus 50,000. I spent 2 to 3 months. Exceptional cases. See here, abnormal meiosis is because of a deletion of small part or complete PR, which is also because of abnormal meiosis. Rest are same. Yes, done. Please write like this. It shows a combination of Patau, Edward and Down syndrome. Please write. It shows a combination of Patau, Edward and Down syndrome. Due to, otherwise you write all these things. This one, only symptoms. You don't write treatment and prevention. First you finish these symptoms, then we will add few more symptoms. Yes, done. Now write. Due to poorly developed larynx, vocal cords, newborn's cry is like meowing, cat cry. Sucking reflex is absent, so feeding becomes difficult. Due to poorly developed pharynx, swallowing is difficult. Continuous saliva oozing from the mouth, which is known as drooling. Continuous saliva oozing from the mouth.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.